For hundreds of families, it began with hope. The hope of owning a modest home, the promise of a government backed affordable housing scheme. Today, that promise lies in courtrooms, empty plots, and vanished life savings. What was marketed as affordable housing is now at the center of a 69 crore rupees money laundering probe. So, what went wrong? Let's break it down after a short break. On 9th January 2026, the Enforcement Directorate filed a prosecution complaint in a Delhi special court. The accused, Swaraj Singh Yadav, promoter of Ocean 7 Buildtech Private Limited, along with related entities. The charge is serious. Money collected from home buyers was allegedly laundered rather than used to build homes. The projects were launched in Gurugram under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. They targeted middle and lower income families. Buyers were promised lawful allotment, time-bound construction, and a safe, regulated project. According to investigators, none of this materialized. Not a single home has been delivered despite substantial collections. Families kept paying EMIs, they kept paying rent. Construction, meanwhile, remained stalled. Investigators say this was a planned operation. Here is how it allegedly unfolded. Funds were collected for construction under the Affordable Housing Scheme. Instead of being used on-site, the money was diverted. It was then routed through multiple shell companies, including KTP Infratech Private Limited, to conceal the trade. The ED says the funds were layered, disguised, and used for personal enrichment. The probe revealed another layer. Genuine allotments were allegedly cancelled by falsely labeling buyers as defaulters. The same homes were then resold at higher prices. Instead of construction, the alleged proceeds were used to buy high-value assets. These include villas, hotels, resorts, land parcels, and commercial properties. The ED currently estimates the proceeds of crime at 69.02 crore rupees, a figure that could rise. During searches in Delhi and Gurugram on 13th November 2025, the ED seized 86 lakh rupees in cash. Documents and digital devices were also recovered. Assets worth 51.57 crore rupees have been provisionally attached. These are spread across Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, and Maharashtra. Swaraj Singh Yadav was arrested on 13 November 2025. The ED says the investigation under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act is ongoing. For affected families, justice may take time. But this case marks a crucial step towards accountability in India's housing sector. Follow for more stories.